we will discuss something important about calcium. Calcium, as you all know, it is a very important mineral. So we will discuss about the sources of calcium and what is the role of calcium in our human body. Here is about the sources of iron. From where do we get calcium? So the best source of calcium, it is milk and its products. What are milk products? Like yogurt, buttermilk, paneer. Okay, these are the best sources of calcium. After that, there are some good sources like beans, as you can see in this figure, leafy vegetables, fish, cabbage, egg yolk. These are the good sources of calcium. After that, grains also. Calcium from grains, it is less efficiently absorbed. You can see all the sources of calcium in this figure. You can see here grains, leafy vegetables, milk products, beans, okay, egg yolk. Now, what is the role of calcium inside our body? First and foremost role, it has a very important role in our bones and teeth, formation and keeping strong our bones and teeth. Okay, so calcium, it is an integral part of bones which supports bones as calcium phosphate and provides physical strength to the skeletal tissues of our body. Second function is its role in the neuromuscular excitation. You can see in this figure also, it helps our nerves carry messages between brain and the body. How does it happen? Because the sodium ion channels that are present over the nerve and the muscle cell membrane, these are very much sensitive to our plasma calcium ion levels. So whenever there is increase in the plasma ionized calcium, it causes lethargy, weakness in the muscle, emotional instability. On the contrary, wherever there is fall in the plasma calcium, there is occurrence of tetany. Okay. Next role is the role of calcium in the excitation contraction coupling in the skeletal muscle. Calcium plays a very, very important role in the contraction of skeletal muscles. Next, there is role in the blood coagulation and in the enzymatic function. We had studied in hematology the role of calcium in blood coagulation or in the process of hemostasis. Okay, so it provides integrity to the membrane, maintenance of membrane integrity. It is a function of ionized calcium. Along with that, ionized calcium, it acts as a second messenger in the hormonal action. Okay, helps our bodies to release hormones. So that was about the sources of calcium and the role of calcium in our body. I would also like to tell you about the normal plasma concentration of calcium also. It is around 9 to 11 milligram per deciliter. Okay, thank you so much. In the next class, I'll tell you about the physiology of bone. We shall discuss the physiology of bone in our